Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question path crossing. Okay, so let me explain with this example. So path equal NES. So imagine this chart, and horizontal is X coordinate and the vertical is Y coordinate. And we have four directions, right? North, south, east, west. And the north is upper side, and the bottom is south side, and the right side is east side, and the left side is west side. And as we start from 0, position, and basically we iterate through all character one by one. And first of all, we find the n, right? So in that case, we have to move north side, and the north side should be like a +1, right? So that's why, so next position should be 0, 1, right? Like this. So 0, 1. So when we find the n, so we add +1 to y coordinate. And then, so one question, how can we know if we cross the path? So the answer is simply we every time we keep the current position with like a set. So now we have set, and first position is 0, 0, and the current position is 0, 1. So when we move to 0, 1, so we should have two positions, 0, 0 and 0, 1. And then, so every time we move new position and check the set, and then if we already have current position, in the case, we should return true. But when we move to 0, 1, so we only have 0, 0, right? So that's why we don't have 0, 1. So just add 0, 1 to set. And then move next. So we have E. So let's look at the east side. So east side should be like a +1 for x coordinate, right? So in the case, so add +1 to x coordinate. So I think we are around here, right? And 1, 1. And then again, check 1, 1 in set, but there is no 1, 1, right? So that's why just add 1, 1. And then move next. And we find the south direction. And then south should be -1, right, for y coordinate. So I think we are on the line, this line, and 1 and 0, right? And then check 1, 0 in set, and there is no 1, 0, so just add 1, 0. And then we finish iteration. So in the case, we should return false. And if we have w here, so in the case, w is like a -1 for x coordinate, right? So in the case, add of -1 to x coordinate, so that means 0, 0, right? So we move 0, 0 position, and then check 0, 0 in set, and we have 0, 0, right? So if we have w here, we should return true. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So with that being said, let's get into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, so initialize, let's say points with set, and we should add the first position 0, 0. So points dot add and 0 and 0. And then initialize x equal y equal 0. And then, so let's iterate through one by one. So for direction in path, and then if d equal, so north, in the case, so we should add +1 to y position, y coordinate, plus equal 1. And then as if, so d equal south, in the case, we should add -1 to y coordinate, so y minus equal 1. Else if d equal east, so in the case, we should add +1 to x plus equal 1. And else if d equal and w, west side, in the case, we should add -1 to x minus equal 1. After that, So check if we have new position in set. So if x, y in points, and if we already have new position, we should return true. If not the case, we should add a new position to points. So points add and x and y. And if we finish this iteration, so we should return false. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is the number of direction in the path. And the space complexity is also order of n. In the worst case, all positions are unique, so which is on. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.